Ho 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 and welcome back to another PlaceIt video. This one is very special because Christmas is just around the corner, so it's very likely that you've already started to design all your holiday apparel for your online shop. Wait, you haven't? Oh my. Well, never mind, because I got your back. Use a mockup that is full of the holiday spirit to really catch the attention of your target audience with PlaceIt's designs, instead of just showcasing your flat designs in your shop. If you, like me, wait the entire year for this special season, you can find beautiful images to have fun with. Are you a fashionista? Stay trendy by trying the ugly Christmas sweater template design. If people don't get your humor or you've been naughty this year, welcome! Sure, we have a design for you. And if you just hate Christmas, you must join too. Show that feeling with the cute illustrations of the Krampus and place it anywhere you want to. To start with your holiday marketing campaign, first go to PlaceIt.net to create your Christmas mockups. You just have to choose your favorite design. Click on it and start writing your message. Add your touch by clicking on your favorite font and color. Then choose your main graphic and finally pimp your design with a final frame. To get it, click on download. But hey, remember that with the unlimited subscription, you can get all the mockups that you want to for only $29 a month. What about using this design on a t-shirt, a sweater, hoodie, tank top, or whatever apparel you want to? The holiday season is notoriously cold, so selling your t-shirt designs on cozy sweaters is a brilliant idea. You're sure to love PlaceIt's Christmas sweater mockups, which are full of Christmas lights, stockings, and holiday decorations in the background. Just find the one that catches your eye and click on the upload image button, crop it, and change the color of the sweatshirt. And this is not the end yet. With PlaceIt, you can also create banners to advertise your holiday offerings. PlaceIt's online banner maker ensures that creating a banner is as easy as can be. Not only that, your banner will be ready to share in seconds, helping you reach your audience before the holidays arrive. Don't let your holiday apparel go unnoticed this year. Check out PlaceIt's Christmas, mockups, and design templates to get your sales to where you want them. With PlaceIt's unlimited subscription, you can get not only one, but all the mockups that you want to, and create many t-shirt designs, mockups, banners, and so much more for just $29 a month. Start stocking your shop before Christmas arrives. Well, thank you for watching. That's all for today and... Wait, what? The good news doesn't end here. Starting on December 1st, you will be able to visit our Advent calendar, where you will find daily freebies from PlaceIt. You can search for the link down here in the description box. And now officially that's all for today. Hope that you have enjoyed this video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and have yourself a little Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.